How to make your first million. Discover the habits and strategies that self-made millionaires swear by. Develop a millionaire mindset. Focus on financial goals, embrace discipline, and stay persistent. Invest wisely and diversify your portfolio. Smart investments are key to building wealth. Leverage the power of compounding by starting early and investing consistently. Embrace continuous learning and skill development to stay competitive. Network effectively. Building relationships with successful individuals can open doors to new opportunities. Adopt these strategies and stay committed to your financial journey. Making your first million is achievable with the right mindset and actions. Subscribe to BizBuzz Central for more tips and strategies on building wealth and achieving financial success. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and expert advice.